So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the ChatGPT website. Now once you're on this, next to the URL, you want to click on this right here, View Site Information. Now you want to select Cookies and Site Data, and then click on Manage On-Device Site Data. Now you want to delete everything that comes up here, and then click on Done. Now we're going to click on this again, and then click on Site Settings. Now we're going to click on Delete Data, click on Delete, and then click on Reset Permissions, and then click on Reset. And now for the next step, you want to head over to Search and type in View Network Connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to double click on it. And then click on Properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now you want to select Use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888. And you want to make the second line 8844. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to Search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on Enter. And now we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on Enter again. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to Search and type in network reset. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Reset Now and then click on Yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just do it yourself and then the problem should be fixed.